Namaste children, welcome back. So we discussed in the virtual class that we read the textbook based on the textbook content. So just I wanted to give the gist what we read, right? Here, sexual reproduction. So how chromosomal number will be maintained? How it will be maintained? Because we discussed that two parents are involved, one is male and one is female. So male is having 46 chromosomes and female is having 46 chromosomes. If male and female are exchanging their chromosomes or fusing their chromosomes in the form of sperm and egg, then what may happen? The baby actually will have 46 generally. But if both are contributing 46 plus 46, it may be 92. But is it happening like that? No. Why it's not happening? That is because the division. So which division takes place in the reproductive organs? A meiosis. What do you call it? Meiosis. M-E-I-O-S-I-S. Meiosis. This is also called as reduction division. Reduction division. So cell divisions are two types. Cell divisions are two types. One is mitosis. The other one is meiosis. Mitosis means it takes place in somatic cells. So our body parts we can divide into two types of cells. One is vegetative cells. So we call it as in plants vegetative reproduction, you learnt, no? Where the reproductive organs are not involved. Reproductive organ is nothing but a flower. So flower is not involved. Without involvement of the flower, if the reproduction is occurring, that is called vegetative in plants. So like that, the vegetative cells which do not have the reproductive organs are called vegetative parts, or you can call it as somatic cells. Somatic means non-reproductive. Non-reproductive means remaining. So testis, other than testis and ovaries, remaining all the parts will be called as somatic cells. Somatic organs are somatic cells. So the division which takes place in these somatic organs or somatic cells will be called as mitosis. So where in testis and ovaries, these are called germ cells, which you call germ cells. Germ, G-E-R-M, germ cells. So these germ cells, the division which takes place in the germ cells is called a meiosis. So what is the difference between mitosis and meiosis? Now this finger, a finger or a hand you take. So the hand will be growing. So in LKG, UKG, your hands will be very small. So as you are growing, the hands, legs, fingers, everything will be growing. So that growth dependent division is called mitosis. And what is meiosis? When you achieve certain puberty, 12 years to 13 years or 13 years to 15 years, when the puberty starts, then the reduction division takes place in male means in the testis, in the female means ovaries. Reduction division takes place and germ cells will form. What will form? Germ cells. So it takes place in germ cells. So germ cells are what? Cells of reproductive organs. Just now we discussed. Here takes place in the somatic cells. Somatic cells means other than this reproductive organs. Next, the chromosomal number remains same after division. So after the cell division, the chromosomal number will remain same. So if the 46 chromosomal cell divides and forms two cells will have 46 plus 46. This is this division. Okay. But here what happens, the chromosomal number will become half. So 46 chromosomal cell if it divides, it will become 23 and 23. Okay. Then after the division, two cells will form. How many cells? The end product, the net profit or net this one is only two cells. Here 4 cells will form. How many cells? 4 cells will form. So 4 cells, so these are called haploid number. Haploid means single, unpaired condition. Here what you call? Paired. Or you can call it as diploid. D-I-P-L-O-I-D. Diploid. Diploid means pair condition. 2n we represent as a 2n. This we represent as n. N means 46. 46 you can write as 23 pairs. Okay. So which division is maintaining the chromosomal number? Meiosis is maintaining chromosomal number in generations together. So each and every generation, the parents, how many chromosomes are there? The same chromosomal number will be maintained because of the reduction division. If there is no reduction division, what would have happened? The total earth might have filled with the genetic material, DNA. But it is not happening. That is because of meiosis. So meiosis is stabilizing the chromosomal number in the living organisms. Okay. So these the formation of these gametes takes place by meiosis. Right, children? Okay. Good. This is flower, hibiscus. Can you identify what are the parts? It is pentamerous according to 9th class. Okay. Now, this is calyx. The green color one is calyx, and this is sepal, petal. Sepal and petal. This is female reproductive organs. They are called pistil or carpel. So pistil and carpel will have stigma, style and ovary. Inside the ovary, ovules will be present. Now come to the male. Male is called a stamen. So stamen contains anther and filament. So in anther and in ovary, reduction division takes place and haploid gametes will form. So ovary will release eggs and this anther will release pollen grains. See here, pollen grains are there, you see. Pollen grains. See, these are all pollen grains.